extensive game library. The wireless classic TV game console boasts a staggering collection of 30 games, ranging from shooting and racing to action, strategy, and role-playing games, offering a nostalgic journey through various genres. Wireless convenience. Enjoy gaming without constraints with the 2.4 GHz wireless game controller, allowing you to play your favorite games comfortably from the sofa without the hassle of wires. HD high-definition output. Experience superior visual quality with support for 80-inch TVs. The intelligent HD chip ensures a clear display of any size, eliminating loss in resolution. Enhanced playability, featuring a dual joystick gamepad with sensitivity and 0 delays. The gaming experience is heightened, providing seamless control. Professional gaming system. The console boasts a user-friendly interface for easy navigation. The system supports the top 10 simulators, allowing users to archive progress, search for games, and collect favorites, ensuring an immersive and passionate gaming experience.